Hey, J-Bros popping in here back at the house. I wasn't really gonna do a video on this, but I was messing with this window here, and it's kind of hilarious how they set this window. So basically, I got a jamb built out there, which is just fine, whatever. And you know, they got insulation and whatever, you know, the old school stuff. Well, what's funny is when they swapped out the old windows, which these are new windows, new-ish I should say, probably like in the last 15 20 years, but they screwed the windows to the jambs, which is great. But here's the funny part on this. I don't know if you could see that there, but I put a screw in here because I'm basically flushing this window out to the stuff in the jamb. Well, the jamb isn't screwed to the frame, so in a sense, not that it was gonna go anywhere, because you know there's trim or jam extensions on the inside, jam extensions on the outside, so on and so forth. But yeah, so this whole window is just basically, the whole jam around the whole window is just floating in there. So I kind of found it funny. So basically what I ended up doing is I ripped off the outside jam extension on this, took off the trim, whatnot, and then I'm going to go and do the same thing I did on the front. I'm going to rip my 3.5 inch trim in half and brick this out in white vinyl and J-channel around it, and then put my temp corner on the side, and then go ahead and side this, and should look pretty interesting. But yeah, I don't know why I found that funny. Hope you did, but I'll jump back to you when I get this further. Hey, I wanted to pop in here too, and I've seen this on many of these older homes. See how these guys drill these holes here in? What they were trying to do is blow in insulation into these cavities. I'll tell you, first thing, I have seen this done on multiple, especially of these homes up north. Now I don't know down south, because maybe down south they didn't really care about insulating their houses because it's warm for the most part. But up here, when they built these homes, you're not able to blow this insulation in, whether it's the spray foam type or this loose cell stuff. The stuff does not get blown into these cavities. So if somebody comes and tells you, hey, we'll just drill some holes in your cracks and then we'll spray foam your walls and get them insulated, I'm telling you right now, I'm not saying it's a full-on scam, but I would make sure they open up at least a few walls on the outside or the inside to verify how your stuff is being done, because this has not worked on any single home that I've done up here in the north. And that's this loose foam and or spray foam, because basically all you'll end up seeing on the other side is a bulge on the inside of the spray foam type material. It's just a bulge, and they'll probably say, yeah, we drilled all your holes, blah blah blah. You got to get it verified, whatever. But that's my 2-second rant on that. I've just seen it, and God knows what they were probably trying, and they didn't even put any damn material in there. So that's my rant for 2 seconds. Back to my window install. Yeah, I got that patched in there. It was a little trickier on that window. Some of that flashing was a little more spaced out than whatnot, but got that good to go pretty much. Now just need to tape the seams and then drop the starter strip on, and yeah, shouldn't take long for a guy to put that freeze board up inside that. But that's a different day. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out. Yeah, back at it here. I got that window wrapped, obviously, and then I actually found a nice little corner here. Yeah, just as I was videoing, there's a nice train going by. But yeah, I'm gonna rock this siding up here. Got the starter ready to go. When I get up to this ledge, I just got to cut this Tyvek out, and I'll caulk all that to the window. And then at the top of this, I will secure like a drip edge ledge there, and then wrap J-channel around this. That'll be good to go. Then I got to tape those seams. But yeah, I should be able to get this sided here within an hour. I can't imagine it'd take very long because, well, this vinyl stuff, it just isn't that difficult. But yeah, if I can get up here and get that ledger board up there, the brake for the siding, then yeah, just one more phase of this property done. I'll pop back after a couple.
Oh, there we go. That's kind of a little distance there. I gotta do a little prep work up top. Gotta move the scissor lift, but that kind of gives you an idea. I probably put up only...
Well, I got it licked. It took me a little bit longer than I wanted to up around that window. I ended up having to block another 2x2 above that treated one because there was kind of just a gap there that ultimately put a kind of a drip ledge from the bottom of the siding, which I'll attach to that that 2x2. And then, like I said, I'll just do the same corner on this side. So this is kind of what it's looking like right here. And of course, right when I get talking, a train goes by. But it don't really matter. I mean, as of right now, as far as what I need to do to move forward, this is considered done till next year when I can get to it. I just need to soffit fascia this, but I'm super pleased. And yeah, basically onto that upper higher side and then the back side. But I'm pretty tired and I'm calling her a day. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.